Hello, my name is Lilian Anibog. I am learning cybersecurity GRC with Inegben Academy, and I started this journey with them since January 2026. I came to know about Inegben Academy when I stumbled on someone's post on LinkedIn. The rest they say is history. Since January till now, I have learned a lot. I have mastered and understood some frameworks, which comprises of NIST CSF, COSO, ISO 27001, which comprises of 10 clauses, starting from the auditable one, which is a clause 4 that talks about context of organization. Clause 5 talks about leadership, 6 planning, 7 support, 8 operations, 9 performance evaluation, and 10 in continuous improvement. Then again, I learned about OCEG framework, which focused on principled performance that has to do with organization defining what is right, then doing the right thing the right way, and also monitor. So beyond frameworks, I had the opportunity of joining live classes, which was facilitated by cybersecurity professionals. Um, I have Victor Anene, Chisom Godwin. They taught us about risk management, everything that has to do with risk management. Then Ineben Stanley, our boss, taught us on LinkedIn optimization and how to build a cybersecurity portfolio. But one thing that stood out for me on these live classes we have had was LinkedIn optimization, because in the past I have had the opportunity of joining some trainings, but most of them was just about they will tell you you have to use a good headshot picture, your cover photo must contain some certain information without even telling you why you need to do all those things. But Stanley came in to tell us that first of all, before you start LinkedIn optimization, you would have to gather data, and certain data that are relevant to the field or your sector, depending. So gather enough information. It could be globally, nationally, and the sector you operate in. So when you have done your research very well and you take note of your findings. At the end of the day, you now have data at your hand that you use to make informed decision on how to go about your LinkedIn optimization. So you can see how detailed his training was. It wasn't the regular one I was used to, but thankfully that I was part of those that gained this knowledge from him. Personally, what I call Stanley, I've not told anyone about this. I've not even, I've not told anybody, but what I call him is a bank of knowledge. The guy is too good. The guy is vast. So I'm telling you right now to go and watch that video. You will thank me later. And also how to build cybersecurity portfolio. This one, once you learn it and you master it and you do it yourself, you build your portfolio. It depends on, it doesn't matter it doesn't matter if you're not GRC or cybersecurity professional. The knowledge can be transferred, so you can use it to build your portfolio in any area you're operating in. So I am just telling you, I'm using this opportunity to tell you to go and watch that video, and you thank me later. So for those of those of us that want to um, going into cybersecurity, I would say watch out for next cohorts of Inegben Academy GRC program.